Say, Pluto, you want to fetch the paper? Yeah. Attaboy, Pluto.
Sure is easy being an answering service when nobody ever calls.
Yeah, you said it.
Well, maybe the phone's broken. Oh, no. The phone's gone dead.
Disconnected in the prime of life.
Good. I'm going home.
Hold on, Donald. We gotta go down to the phone company and get this fixed, or we'll be out of a job.
Sorry.
For service, push the red button.
Hello,
Hi, we have a problem. Our phone...
and welcome. Please press button 1 on the keypad now. Thank you. Now press 4. By pressing button 4, you have indicated that you'd like to press button 2. Press button 2 now. Congratulations on pushing button 2. Please push it again. Button 2 has been pushed twice. This cancels all previous button pushing. Goodbye.
Hey, you told me to push it twice.
That's not it. Let me do it.
Hello, and welcome. Please press button 1 on the panel now. Thank you. Now press 4.
What's this?
Congratulations. You'd like to pay your bill.
Here's your bill back.
Donald, no! You'll break the phone company.
Well, then we can't push any more buttons.
Hello, and welcome. Please press 1 now.
Hey, he's talking like the phone company. Let's poke his button.
For customer service, enter the door on your right.
Now we're getting somewhere. Come on, fellas.
For questions about your service, enter door C. Imaklu, mala de la bola. To hear this message in English, go to room E. We're sorry, room E is no longer in service. Please go to room B. Welcome to room B. Please follow the written instructions on the wall in front of you.
But we can't see.
We're sorry, your time is up. Thank you for visiting the phone company.
Oh, shut up.
If you really want to smash me, step harder. Thank you.
Come on, fellas. I found a way inside. Hello? This place must be fully automatic. Nobody's here.
Ooh, who's nobody?
Well, you know, nobody.
I know just about everybody, but I don't know a nobody.
No, there's nobody here.
But we're here. Does that make us nobody?
No, we're somebody.
Aha! So somebody is here.
Yes.
Then where are they and why don't they help us?
We're the somebody. Him, you, me.
Well, then help me. See, your phone's dead.
No.
Yes, it is. Don't you
I
remember?
can't help you.
Then what are you doing here?
I'm trying to get some help.
Hate to break it to you, Mickey, but somebody told me that there's nobody here.
But you and I and... forget it. Maybe we go through here to get our phone fixed. Look at all the phones.
Here's a party line, water line, bread line, dandelion, hairline, lifeline, feline, airline, iron line, and incline.
Huh? Hmm.
What's the big idea?
Looks like Donald's the Line King. Oh!
Okay, fellas, just sit back and wait for the phone to ring.
I think it's for you.
No, please, it's all yours.
I'm not getting it.
Me neither. Nope.
Ticklish.
Afternoon, Magical Mouse. Good luck on your big show tonight.
Speaking of which, I'd love for Minnie and you to come.
Oh, yeah?
Here's an invitation.
Thanks, Magical.
See you tonight, Mickey.
Now, you didn't get things mixed up this time, did you?
Oh, no.
Now, I'm leaving you home alone while Minnie and I go to the magic show. So you be sure and take care of the house, okay? And remember, no getting into your food or watching pay-per-view or making long-distance phone calls. Understand? Okay, see you later, Pluto.
The Cat Channel. Tonight we'll be traveling to Kathmandu.
We're cooking up catfish. Cat on a hot tin roof. Coming up next, the Aristocats. Sorry, your call to the Dalmatian coast did not go through. Please ensure you dialed correctly and try your call again.
Seems I'm all thumbs tonight. Perhaps we should move on to sawing a tune in half. Oops!
Boy, he stinks.
What a horrible night. My worst performance ever. Wait a moment. These aren't my gloves. These are Mickey's. Why do we all wear these same white gloves? And where are my magical ones? My gloves! They're back! And now, for my final trick, I shall pull a rabbit out of my hat.
Roll! Donald, go long!
Here it comes!
Long bomb!
Catch this one, Mickey! Mickey Mouse!
Hiya, Minnie.
You stop throwing that football in the house! You might break something.
Sorry.
Now Daisy and I are going out. Shopping. Bye-bye.
Girls!
Sorry.
Oh no, it's ruined.
Oh, now what are we gonna do?
Hello?
Goofy, it's me, Mickey. Listen, I need you to take a picture. Hello? Hello? Goofy?
I got the picture. Now where do I take it?
Now, I need you to get your camera and...
But you said take a picture.
With your camera, a photograph.
Oh, you mean take a picture, not take a picture.
Yes. No. Yes.
Well, why don't you just say so?
I am saying so. Okay. Goof will take the picture, so next we go shopping for some new clothes.
Oh, no, you don't.
Come on, Donald. It's the only way.
No, no, no. This is exasperating.
No, that one's completely wrong. We gotta look exactly like Minnie and Daisy. Try this one.
Great Scott! Sorry, Daisy, I didn't see a thing. Not anything at all. Not that you don't have anything, it's just, well, I'll be going home now.
Huh, dressing rooms. Oh boy, a perfect match.
Yeah, perfect.
Aw, quit being a sourpuss. It'll all be over as soon as Goofy takes our picture. Come on.
away with it, didn't you?
Clarabelle, Clarabelle.
I can't let you two get out of here without a complete makeover. Minnie, you could use a little color on those lips.
Thank you.
And you too, Daisy.
Yeah, thanks.
Daisy, just between us girls, you've just got to break up with Donald immediately.
What?
You're starting to talk exactly like him, and ooh, it's so unladylike.
Now, wait a minute.
Now, I know a handsome young man who recently moved to town, and he's a doctor. Nice car, well-dressed, and his voice, it's heavenly. Ooh, not like Donald.
Daisy, we really gotta get going. Bye, Clarabelle.
Goodbye, Mickey and Donald.
Donald. Let's just get out of here before anyone else recognizes us.
Congratulations! You're our millionth customer!
No, we're not. Run!
What's going on?
You're our millionth customer!
Oh, good.
Say Limburger!
Minnie! Well, ha-cha-cha. I knew someday you'd run into my arms. Marry me and forsake all others, namely Mickey.
Ah, go soak your head, fresh boy.
What's that? I know that voice. You're not Minnie. You're Mickey.
Help! Help!
Why, it's that Mortimer mouse, laying his filthy mitts on Minnie.
Hey! Ow!
What? Ha-cha-cha?
At it again, eh?
Let's scram! Goofy, you gotta take a picture of us.
That's funny. Mickey and Donald called earlier for the exact same thing.
We're Mickey and Donald, and we don't want Minnie and Daisy to find out.
But Minnie, how are you gonna keep yourself from finding out?
I'm Mickey.
But you're not dressed like Mickey, 'cause you're in girl clothes, which Mickey don't normally wear.
Believe me, I'm Mickey.
Daisy, tell Minnie she ain't Mickey.
I'm not Daisy.
Just between us, you're starting to sound just like Donald.
I'm Mickey, and he's Donald, and we need your camera. We gotta hurry. They'll be home any minute. Goofy, hurry!
Say Limburger. Whoops.
Imagine that! The 1 millionth customer.
Perfect. They'll never know.
Oh, that's Minnie and Daisy. But I thought they weren't supposed to know about this.
And so, to save the universe, we had to dress up like you. But even the president said so.
It's true.
Wow, you went through all that trouble just to replace this old photo? Have we got the coolest guys or what? You're so sweet. But we always hated that picture.